Saad, quick question. You used the word instances when talking about a particular vendor application. Instances. How does the word instances relate, or is it the same or different than versions or upgrading? So when an upgrade comes out, you go to a new version. That how does that relate to the word instance in terms of interoperability and being able to merge data from two different versions or instances together? Sometimes when you have a new version come out, I would imagine it doesn't change a lot, but sometimes it may. So how do you work through that?
That's a good question. So, at its very, very base level, the instance in the EHR world essentially means where your pool of data for the EHR rests. So if you want to look up, if you're a physician and you're treating Saad Chaudhury, and if Saad Chaudhury has been a patient at your health system, my data will appear in that instance. However, if our organization is about to acquire another practice or another hospital, they may also have the same EHR as us, but I may not exist in their instance, in their database. There's multiple databases, of course, in the background, but in their data warehouse or whatever you want to call it.
Mhm.
The issue is, so if you take the example of the Microsoft Office suite, if you have a Word document that you save on your computer, even if you have a different version of Microsoft Office Word, and you send it over to me, I will be able to open it. Word will be able to make sense of it. However, if you have an EHR by the same exact name brand as me,
Mhm.
and if you have had different version upgrades, you've changed some things over the years, and somebody else has the same exact EHR company, but they have done theirs over the years a little differently. If you were able to just give me a database from the structure, just a single database saying, hey, can you just import this on your side? It's not going to be plug and play.
Mhm.
It's not going to be somebody just saying, of course, it's the same vendor. It'll just work right away. It doesn't work that way. So that's what I mean by instances. Your instance of an EHR will inevitably be different than somebody else's if they've grown up in a different
Got it.
environment and not integrated with you.
Got it.
And
Thank you for that.